Have you ever wondered how sewage systems work? What happens to your wastewater when you flush it down the toilet? Well, it's all thanks to these mysterious metal rings that you might have seen in parks, on the sides of streets, or even in your own backyard. These metal rings are called manholes, and they play an essential role in the safe and efficient transportation of wastewater around our cities. So get ready to take a deep dive into the world of wastewater engineering and explore everything you need to know about manholes. In this video, we'll be covering the different types of manholes, their components, how they're installed and maintained, and their importance in keeping our cities clean and healthy. Manholes are openings that allow access to a confined space, such as a shaft, utility vault, or large vessel. They are typically circular in shape and are covered with a heavy-duty metal plate known as a manhole cover. The purpose of a manhole is to provide a means of accessing underground infrastructure for inspection, maintenance, or system upgrades. They are commonly used for sewer lines, electrical cables, gas pipes, and other underground utilities. Manholes come in various sizes depending on the application and the equipment that needs to be installed. Typically, the diameter of a manhole ranges from 4 feet to 8 feet, with a standard depth of at least 5 feet. However, some manholes can be much deeper, especially in areas where the terrain requires it. Manhole covers are designed to withstand heavy loads, such as those from vehicles, pedestrians, and construction equipment. They are typically made of cast iron or steel and are reinforced to prevent them from being displaced or dislodged. Some manhole covers have locking mechanisms to ensure they remain in place and prevent unauthorized removal. There are many different types of manhole covers with unique features and designs. For example, some covers are equipped with safety features such as yellow inserts or reflective materials to improve visibility at night or in low-light conditions. Other covers have handles or lifting devices to facilitate their removal and replacement. Manhole covers are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of the underground infrastructure. By providing a secure and robust sealing mechanism, they protect the environment from potential hazards such as soil erosion, groundwater contamination, and illegal access to underground utilities. Additionally, manhole covers play a vital role in ensuring the longevity of the underground infrastructure by preventing damage from external factors such as vehicular traffic, extreme weather conditions, and unauthorized tampering. Regular inspection and maintenance of manhole seals are crucial to ensure their effectiveness and longevity. Municipalities and utility companies often have dedicated crews responsible for inspecting, repairing, and replacing damaged manhole seals. These inspections typically involve visual checks to identify any signs of damage, deterioration, or improper installation. Any issues identified during the inspection are then addressed through repair or replacement measures. Municipalities and utility companies also invest in innovative technologies and best practices to enhance the performance and durability of manhole seals. This includes the use of advanced materials, improved installation techniques, and regular maintenance programs. These efforts are aimed at reducing the frequency of manhole seal failures, improving public safety, and ensuring the long-term reliability of the underground infrastructure. The main function of a manhole is to provide access to an underground utility. Without manholes, accessing these lines for maintenance or repairs would be extremely difficult or impossible. Manholes allow workers to enter the system and carry out tasks such as cleaning, inspecting, and repairing lines. This is particularly important in wastewater systems where the lines can become clogged or damaged, leading to overflows and environmental contamination if not properly maintained. Manholes are also used for system upgrades and expansions. As cities grow and demand for services increases, the existing infrastructure may need to be expanded or upgraded. For example, additional manholes may need to be added to a wastewater system to accommodate new development or to allow for larger diameter pipes to be installed. By providing access points throughout the system, manholes facilitate these upgrades, ensuring that the utility can continue to meet the needs of the community. There are several key components that make up a manhole. The basic components of a manhole include a manhole rim, which is the edge of the opening at the surface of the ground. A manhole shaft, which is the vertical section of the manhole that connects the rim to the bottom. A manhole base, which is the bottom of the manhole, a manhole ladder or stairs, which provide access between the shaft and the bottom, and a manhole seal, which is the mechanism that prevents the entry of rainwater debris and other contaminants into the manhole. In addition to these basic components, manholes may also include other features such as ventilation pipes, manhole risers, which are vertical sections of pipe that connect manholes along a pipeline, and manhole seals. Ventilation pipes are used to provide fresh air to the manhole to prevent the buildup of hazardous gases. Manhole risers are used to connect manholes along a pipeline and allow for the inspection and maintenance of the line without having to dig up the entire line. Manhole seals are used to prevent the entry of rainwater, debris, and other contaminants into the manhole. They are typically located at the top of the manhole shaft and can be made of various materials such as rubber, neoprene, or metal. Installing a manhole involves several steps that require specialized equipment and expertise. The process typically begins with the excavation of a hole at the surface of the ground using heavy machinery such as excavators and trenchers. The hole is then reinforced with concrete or steel to form the manhole shaft. A manhole base is installed at the bottom of the shaft, and a manhole seal is placed at the top to prevent water from entering the manhole. The manhole shaft is then backfilled with soil or concrete, and the surface is restored to its original condition. The entire process is carefully monitored to ensure that the manhole is installed correctly and meets the required specifications. Proper installation of a manhole is crucial for its functionality and longevity. A well-installed manhole will provide a strong and stable access point for the underground utility while preventing water and debris from entering the system. Conversely, a poorly installed manhole may result in structural instability, leakage, and contamination of the underground utility. Specialized equipment and expertise are necessary to ensure that the manhole is installed correctly. This includes the use of heavy machinery for excavation, concrete or steel reinforcement for the shaft, and specialized tools for installing the manhole base and seal. Proper compaction of the backfill material is also essential to prevent settlement and ensure the stability of the manhole over time. Maintaining a manhole involves regular inspections and repairs to ensure its functionality and longevity. Inspections should be conducted at regular intervals to identify any signs of damage or deterioration, such as cracks, breaks, or loose manhole seals. Repairs should be carried out promptly to prevent further damage and ensure the safety of workers who may need to access the manhole. Maintenance activities may also include cleaning the manhole to remove debris and vegetation and lubricating the manhole seal to prevent it from sticking or tearing. In addition to routine maintenance, manholes should be inspected after heavy rainfall or storms to check for any signs of damage or erosion. Municipalities and utility companies often have dedicated crews responsible for inspecting and maintaining manholes. These crews are equipped with the necessary tools and expertise to identify any issues and carry out the required repairs. Municipalities and utility companies also invest in innovative technologies and best practices to enhance the performance and durability of manholes. This includes the use of advanced materials, improved construction techniques, and regular maintenance programs. By investing in manhole maintenance, municipalities and utility companies can ensure the longevity of their underground infrastructure and provide reliable access to essential services for their communities. Manholes play a crucial role in the transportation of wastewater around our cities. These remarkable structures allow for the safe and efficient movement of wastewater through a network of underground pipes and tunnels. With regular maintenance and upgrades, manholes will continue to serve as a vital part of our infrastructure for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please don't hesitate to leave a like and subscribe for more informative content. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more educational videos in the future. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.